Hi, this is Rick with Mystic Falls and Ponds LLC here at the pond cleanout over in Nokomis. And we've got everything all straightened out again. Pond's all clean. We're going to do a little revamping on some of the stones and some other places there so the waterfall goes towards the center. Now she's all cleaned up and she's looking nice. The fish will be going in tomorrow. And then in a couple of weeks we'll be putting in a new lily. So I want to make sure that all those little bugs are gone, which I can see some of them floating on the surface now. You can't see them, but you can see the little dots right there on the surface. Those are the little bugs that are eating her water lilies. I don't know, they've got around here a golf course and they also have retention ponds all over the golf course, so I don't know if these insects are coming from there or where they're coming from, but hopefully it'll get cleaned up soon. And that's about it. We're wrapping up for the day and I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.